Greetings from Costa Rica. I hope you're doing well. My name is Matt Rosensteel, and if you've watched my channel before, you've seen that I really dislike when people abuse the term fire sale here in Costa Rica. Today I have a property that I feel truly qualifies now as an absolute fire sale. A 3-bedroom, well-built concrete home, only 10 minutes from the beach, just a couple hundred yards from a beautiful paved highway, and the owner has reduced their asking price to $229,000. Building a home like this currently costs about $115 per square foot, let alone the cost of furnishing it, landscaping, the land itself, etc., etc. The owner is asking $229,000 for a really solid home that, if you're looking for a peaceful retreat, is in an absolutely ideal spot. It's located in the community of Rio Seco, about 10 minutes from the quiet community of Playa Junquillal, your nearest beach. It's only about 20 minutes drive from Tamarindo, so you've got supermarkets, healthcare, schools, everything within a short drive of this home. And it's only 200 yards more or less from a paved highway, as I mentioned, meaning you have great access. It's an easy home to live in, and really it's a property that is not some abandoned wilderness mountain property, but instead a solid value, now reduced well below the replacement cost. I have a very informal virtual tour walking around the house. It's pretty low quality, but if you want that, send me an email to matt@cbtamarindo.com and I'll give you the virtual tour. Let me know what questions you have. I will also put the listing link to the property in the description of the video. If you want to stay updated on fire sales and properties that I think are truly great values, do be sure to subscribe to my channel for updates and hit that notification icon. Thanks very much for watching today, and have a good one.